This little kid just walked up to me and stopped like, Spider-Man. And he's like, it's a bad day, but it's a good day. I'm like, why is it a bad day? It's like all the kids picking on him at school, and there were so many fights, right? And then I'm like, so how is it a good day? And he's like, because I saw you. I'm like, what the hell? That sounds so sad. I'm like, I had to go in my wallet and give him some money and be like, I hope this made your day better. But that is crazy. I can't believe that just happened. But yeah, you know, people just need to support my page more. I could do so much more things if I get more support from people.
It's a bad day, but it's a good day.
It's a bad day, but a good day.
People are pick on but then can't even know.
Well, you them a try what?
Yes, they will make it.
Big up yourself, yeah? That make a day better, see?